got a weird one today. See, I tried telling Corey his machine doesn't want to move. It's 9 degrees. I told Corey I am not starting my machine anymore when it's below 20. Started my excavator at my house in the shop. Let it run for a little bit. It's a little warmer in my shop, and then I went ahead and left it running on the trailer coming over here. But he's got some big giant swim spa. I guess it's just a big hot tub you can swim in, basically. We are. Now he's gonna talk to me while I'm trying to do a thing. Okay, he's gonna spread my forks. So anyways, I'm in his 65. He's gonna run his SK1050, and we're gonna try to just pick this thing up because the spec say it weighs 2,500 pounds, and then the shipping guy said it weighs 3,300 pounds. So there's a little bit of discrepancy on, you know, what it actually weighs. So we're going to just try to pick it up off the trailer, let the hot shot guy go ahead and get on out of here. We're going to set it on dunnage.
Let me go try and pick it up first, and then I'll watch you pick it up and I'll see what my machine does. He's gonna pick up his side first, and then he's gonna come over while I pick it up, and he's gonna see what his mini skid does. He's got a Ditch Witch SK1050. He got it to there, so the part that took to the mini skid, we have to, that part goes in to the hole. He's got this little retaining wall we got to get crossed and everything else. So what he's going to do is he's going to pull it through the woods, around Grandma's house, around the swing set. We're going to clean up some of that frozen dirt there. He's going to ramp up this frozen dirt over here, try to get it smoother. Right here, he's going to cut this off and ramp it. That way he's going to go around the woods. Probably, I mean, maybe he can get through there. I'd probably go around everything. He said it's sliding real easy. He's going to come around there and just come through here with the mini skid and pull it all the way as far as he can, and then he'll unhook the straps, and then I'll get my excavator up here on the side, and he's bringing his 65 around. Then I'll get my excavator sitting over here, and then we're going to hook to the hot tub and pull it, you know, to where we can get real close to that retaining wall. And then we built just a quick little spreader beam out of an I-beam I already had. It was for fixing a foundation, actually at his old house. We're going to use that, and we'll strap underneath the bottom side of it, and then that way I can kind of pick it up, and I'll have to swing it over in place. The bad thing is I'm going to have to swing it into there because he's going to have to hold it up. We can't set it down, I mean, and I can't sit through here and reach it to bring it over here. So we'll kind of have to see what happens. I mean, I think I ought to be able to sit right here, and I could probably reach over there under the deck. But it's always fun when we're doing something like this. So I'm gonna get the machine up here. He's gonna get the dirt graded, and then I'll get a video of him sliding it around, stuff like that, and we'll get it all rigged up, and we'll be back. And I don't know, I guess that'd be the end of moving around a swimming hot tub with an excavator and a mini skid. You never know what you're gonna see on my channel, ever. But all right, give us a minute. You like it? All right, I'm gonna try to track back first, and then I'll swing. I'm on a frozen hump. I'd like to get off that hump so I'm not wobbling. I need to be back so far to get underneath this deck. What? I'm gonna come down as I come in. This is not the easiest thing in the world to kind of control in here. Here's Corey's swimming hot tub. We got it up on the thing. Hopefully nothing's broke. He's gonna unwrap it and see what it's like. See if it's all he hoped for or not. Unwrap a big old burrito. But she's in there, pretty good reveal. That way he can come off, he can jump in here and do whatever you do. What the heck you doing this, Corey?
Huh?
Where are you doing this? It's just a really big hot tub?
I mean, it's got swim jets. It's supposed to make the stream run and swim against it or something.
Alright, well, if you guys want to install one of these on a patio, do not call me and Corey. So, alright, well, hope you liked it. It took a mini skid, a skid loader, and an excavator to get it back in here. So, see ya.